So today I'm going to do a band scan this evening. I am going to say in advance, sorry I have not been on YouTube for a long time. There's been a lot of stuff going on lately. But anyway, we're going to start the band scan. CHU Canada. Yep. If anyone's wondering, this is the ReadyWell R108. I would definitely recommend it.
And Dvorak, indirectly, through the symphony and through the publicity that he was giving these on.
I'm going to check this frequency real quick. Hold on just a moment. WRMI.
Musical culture.
Check this one. Hold on just a moment. So this here is WRMI. Check this one. So I'm checking these on the computer. So this is WWCR. $74.90, which is, well, there's a good bit of them. WBCQ. I think I might be picking up interference from my laptop right here I'm using. I'm using a Deegan 31 MS loop antenna from a ReadyWell R108, if anyone's wondering. Let's check this one. Hold on just a moment. So this is WRMI. 93.95.
Por las frecuencias internacionales de Radio Habana, Cuba, una voz de amistad que recorre el mundo. Llega a ustedes una nueva emisión de Sonido Cuba. Reciban muy cordial saludos.
Turn it down to the... This is Radio Havana, Cuba.
About the giants, they spoke about themselves being grace.
99.55. Let's check that one. Sorry it's so hard to do this. I'm filming this at nighttime. WRMI. 9955. WWV. 10. Let's check the... Either weak audio or no, or just a carrier at this time. This is Havana, Cuba. So let's scan again. Just this where you can see it better.
Ni pretendo que me quieran de
13740 Cuba. Coming in pretty good.